In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload brand music on CapCut step by step, so you can add your own custom audio to any project quickly and easily. Whether you're making short-form content, branded edits, or just want to use your official music track inside CapCut, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and click Create Project. This will take you into a new editing workspace where you can start building your video. Once your project is open, look toward the top left side of the screen and find the Media folder. Inside Media, click on Local, because this is where you can upload files from your own computer. Now you'll see a large Import button. Click that button to browse your files. A File Explorer window will appear, and this is where you need to locate your official brand music file. CapCut supports common audio formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A, so make sure your music is saved in one of those formats before you upload it. Select the audio file you want to use, then click Open. After that, CapCut will import the music and place it into your asset box. This means the file is now available inside your project and ready to use. From here, all you need to do is drag and drop the uploaded track down into the audio timeline below your video. You'll want to position it carefully so it starts exactly where you want the music to begin. Once the track is on the timeline, you can trim it, move it, or adjust it depending on your edit. If you want the music to play for the full video, make sure the clip length matches your project. If you only want a section of the song, you can cut it down to fit your content. This is especially useful for brand intros, product videos, promotional edits, and social media content where consistent music helps create a professional feel. And that's it, your brand music is now uploaded in CapCut and added to your timeline. It's a simple process, but once you know where to click, it becomes very fast to do for every new project. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.